Can a misfire be caused by bad gas? Lean misfire can occur when the air or fuel mixture is too lean, not enough gasoline in the mixture, to burn. This can be caused by a dirty, clogged or inoperative fuel injector, air leaks, or pressure because of a weak pump, restricted filter, or leaky pressure regulator.